Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto in Action. In this video, we're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin. All right, so we'll start out by looking at the weekly time frame, and then we'll move down to the daily time frame, and then finally we'll look at the 4-hour time frame. All right, so here is the weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening here. So this past week candle that just closed looks extremely bearish. You can see here it left Bitcoin with a massive wick at the top, and then we closed bearish. So this candlestick here on this weekly time frame is now really looking good for Bitcoin. 18,000 was a resistance for Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin got to 18,000, it managed to go all the way to like 18,379. And when it got there, it received a massive, massive rejection, right? And now, because of this bearish looking candlestick on the weekly time frame, there's a high chance that we could see Bitcoin fall all the way down to the support it has on a weekly time frame, which is around 15,400. So between 15,400 and 15,800, this is the price zones that Bitcoin has massive support on the weekly time frame. So yeah, there's a high chance that Bitcoin could drop all the way down there during this week. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. Now let's jump to the daily time frame, because even though the weekly time frame is looking bearish, there might be some patterns on the daily time frame that might take that bearish pattern on the weekly time frame out of the way. It might just turn the whole game around. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame here. You can see here on the daily time frame, Bitcoin was trading inside this rising channel, right? And then it broke out of it, and ever since then it's been dropping down. Now on this daily time frame, since we lost the support here of the rising channel, the next support that Bitcoin had was around the 16,600. Okay, and I was waiting to see whether Bitcoin is going to actually be able to bounce back up towards 17,000 around the support of 16,600. But so far, we did get sort of a bounce here. When we came to 16,000, we got this bullish daily candle close right along 16,600, right? But then after this bullish candle, the next candle was bearish, and now this current daily candle is also bearish. It looks like the 16,600 support is now holding, and if we end up losing the 16,600 support, then I see Bitcoin dropping all the way down to this trend line. Okay, this purple trend line is a trend line which I believe that the price of Bitcoin is going to be able to respect, because it did respect it in the past year. So if we come to this purple trend line and then we bounce back up, this is going to create a new higher low on the daily time frame, and we could see Bitcoin bounce all the way back up towards 17,300. Okay, so 17,300 is our current major resistance here on pretty much the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. So if we do end up getting a bounce up from this purple trend line, then we would definitely head to 17,300, and we need to break this 17,300 to be able to head towards the next resistance, which is around 18,000. Okay, so this is what's happening, guys, in the price of Bitcoin. I will keep you guys updated on what happens next. Okay, make sure you like this video if you found it helpful or valuable, and if you're not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel so you can be getting more videos like this on a regular basis. Thank you guys for watching.